ultimately this ability to continuously hold the attention is not only due to practice, but it is due to the energy that comes out of that practice, the energy that makes it possible to connect ourselves to the Nama. Who gives us the taste? Who gives us the energy? Who gives us the taste by which we can hold on? Unless there is taste, some taste, or let us call, forget taste, unless there is some experience, pleasant experience, the doing and knowing will not stay together. Why it will not stay together? Because it will find something interesting. Immediately I will want to think something and plan something will go on. So that is, there is constant demand by the forces of Gunakala Karma to engage because we are trapped in Maya, to engage our doing and knowing. So naturally it will go there. So unless taste is there, then you cannot counteract the other tastes. Knowing is an activity where Jnana Indriya means we are taking input into our internal world. Doing is something where we are putting something out into the external world. So doing is output, senses, that is working, they are called Karma Indriya, and Jnana Indriya is taking in. So in taking in, there is no activity except sense perception. Like seeing the form is taking in the form. You don't do anything. Eyes does not have to do any activity. There is no activity for the eyes. Hearing, you don't have to do any activity. Only mind has to participate. So knowing, by knowing, you don't move anything. By doing, you move something. See, I have to move my tongue. I have to do. There's a movement involved in doing. But in knowing, there is no movement involved. There's no movement involved. You simply know. So therefore, I say that hearing is not a doing. Hearing is not a doing. It is knowing. To link these two activities, chanting and knowing. Tell yourself, I am determined to link these two things. I am determined to link these two things. I am determined. That's sankalpa. I am determined to do the link, chanting and hearing that very chant. I am determined. That linking is the most important thing. So that connected chanting, linked chanting and hearing is what we are practicing. We are not simply practicing giving, doing effort and knowing effort. But we are doing effort and giving the knowing effort on the same sound. Point of control is chesta, not attention. If you give chesta, attention follows. Wherever chesta is there, their attention follows. Just like in an electrical circuit, right? I have a board, switchboard here. So anyway, if I put the switch, this light will come. Suppose I don't want this light. I want that light. What do? I'm not bothered about the light. I'm not bothered about manipulating the bulb. Bulb is the lit bulb is a manifestation of my action here of putting the switch on or off. Similarly, Kriya Chesta, Jnana Chesta, doing effort and knowing effort is where the switch is for the attention. So when you, in your normal language, when you want to bring back the attention, don't try to hold the attention and bring. That kind of determination is not what is required. Immediately what you have to do? Put the switch on, Kriya Chesta on the Nama. Don't handle attention, handle Chesta. Handle Chesta and handle Chesta in a linked manner and you will be successful.